The derivation fund payment for youth initiative is an important issue of serious consideration and should also be treated as important because it is a social economic development initiative to strengthen the environment that we are into. Who are these youth we are talking about from 18 to 50 years? These are the youths. For you to understand, when we say pay the youth, there are so many places that the fund could come to pay the youth. As for the derivation fund, there should be SS, crude, and other funds available. So government should find this initiative very, very important to pay the youth. 2% is not, it's not too much money for the government. But I tell you, this same money is still in the environment of Nigeria. It's going to be recycled by the citizens, and the nation will become rich, more than what it used to be. So this is an idea that will help the system revive. It's just an opinion from the youth. Think about it and support the campaign. Pay the youth campaign. Thank you very much. I wish you well. The campaign for Pay the Youth is not actually because of the political transaction, or do we say pay the youth because we want money? No. If you look at 80% of our elders, they are hungry and relied upon this youth for survival. Our mothers, our fathers, our uncles, in-laws, extended and within. You find out that the hungry in the environment is pushing the youth into elastic approach towards money, and then they involve in rituals of all kind and the other. But this 2% of this type of youth mentioned, some of these from 18 years old to 50 years has children, responsibilities, children in the universities. They will pay their fees. They will take care of them. They also have fathers and mothers who are doing nothing they will take care of. Now, this youth will want to multiply whatsoever strength that the government have extended for this our social aspect of existence. You know, the government is not looking to our social development. No. They don't look into that. And to sustain this economy the way it is today, it is through this social economic initiative of paying the youth that will proper or foster good governance. Can this experiment, I know we are afraid of any suffrage experiment that will make one greater than the other. No, but let us put this experiment in the system together and see if the system will not improve. So we still maintain that government should pay the youth campaign, 2% from the derivation fund. As the state has been paid, the youth need to be paid. President Muhammadu Buhari, consider this as a serious issue for a serious attention. Thank you very much. I wish you well.